Good morning, my foodie phonics friends. I hope you're all happy and smiling today. We're going to learn about the letter S today. I wonder if you know what sound letter S makes in words. It makes a S sound. But first, let's look at the shape of letter S. Here we are. Big letter S, remember for names like maybe Susan, Simon, Scott, or Sally. And small letter S for words like snail, smile. How about a silly smile? Are you ready? Silly smiles. There you go. S for silly, S for smile. Letter S today. Shall we have a look what else is on my table that starts with a S sound? Okay. Right over here, I have a pair of scissors. These are really sharp. I hope you have children's scissors that are not so sharp. S for scissors. Can you see the color of my scissors? That color is silver. S for silver. S for scissors. Right, let me put my sharp scissors down. Over here, I have a starfish. S for starfish. This is not a real starfish. I made this one out of salt dough. S for salt dough. You can get the recipe from Mummy and Daddy if they have a look on the internet. I think it's about a cup of flour, a cup of salt, and maybe a cup of water or oil. Have a look and then you bake your starfish shape, or any shape you'd like, in the oven. But Mummy and Daddy will have to do that for you. S for starfish. Over here, I have a punnet of strawberries. S for strawberries. On the top, you can see I've chopped my strawberries up for today's yummy recipe, but I kept the seeds with the green leaves because those teeny tiny seeds will grow more strawberry plants for you if you put them in your garden. Or even if you don't have a garden, you can put them on a plate with some wet paper towel on top until you see them start to sprout. S for strawberries, S for sprout. Okay, I also have sprinkles today. S for sprinkles. Listen up. Sounds like the rain, doesn't it? We're going to use our sprinkles in our recipe also today. And over here, I have a glass of sultanas. I'll show you the box. S for sultanas. Yummy. We're going to mix those together to make our sprinkle sunshine today. Before we get started, I want to show you my little tiles over here. They're from a game called Scrabble. I won't pick them all up. There's some more on the table over here. And with my tiles, I can play a game called Snap. Let me twist back over here. S for snap. Snap means that I have to turn the tiles over as quickly as I can to match up the same letters. Shall we turn these ones over and see if there are any matching tiles? Letter O. Letter S. That's today's letter. But they don't match, so it's not snap. I have to turn them back down. I'll try and remember letter O there, letter S there. Let's see. Oh, there's a letter S. Snap! I got two letter S's. There they are. I'll twist them around because I'm holding them back to front. That's how you play Snap. Match up the same letters. Maybe you've got some cards at home that you can play Snap with. Okie dokie. Are you ready to make some sprinkle sunshine? I am. Here's my empty glass. I'm going to start with the sprinkles first. I'm going to pour just a few in, maybe about a third of some sprinkles. And then I'm going to top it up with some sultanas. Oh, doesn't that look pretty? Sprinkles and sultanas. And then I'm going to top it up with some chopped strawberries. The strawberries are soft enough for you to chop up with a blunt knife if Mummy and Daddy say that's okay. Oh, I hope I don't spill any. Whoops. There we go. Maybe 1 or 2 more. That's it. Oh, doesn't that look pretty? Sprinkles, sultanas and strawberries for my sprinkle sunshine. Now I've got my silver spoon and I'm going to actually mix the layers up. Try and get some sprinkles on top of my sultanas. That's why the sprinkles are at the bottom, so that when you mix them, you can bring them up to the top. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look so pretty? Sprinkle sunshine with strawberries and sultanas. I'm going to have a little taste. That is delicious. Oh my goodness. You simply have to make some sprinkle sunshine today. The crunchy sprinkles and the soft strawberries and sultanas make a delicious blend of crunchy sweet goodness. Thanks for joining me today, Foodie Phonics. I can't wait to see you tomorrow for some more exciting recipes. Bye for now.